You don't think that I have referred business to that moving company? I am encouraging my friends to move just to work with those guys. So to recap, the MEND model for mending customer relationships. The M stands for massage the relationship with solid communication. The E stands for empathize with the customer. The N stands for never attack. And again, that means lose the battle to win the war. The battle is this little situation, this challenge. The war is the lifelong value of that customer. And D, deliver hugs. Heartfelt, unexpected gestures. Okay,